And hello all, Mr. Callen here to help you out. Some of you doing just fine. If you know how to take a quiz and write in Kami, then you can go ahead and fast forward, see a couple things I'm doing, and then just head into your quiz. But some of you may not have yet taken a math quiz with Kami. I just want to make sure you are good with it. Hey, I know some of you use the to-do section up here with missing and done work. Frankly, that's okay, but if I were you, I'd go into my math class Google Classroom every time. Hey, I know the stream's there, but it's pretty busy. It's not very helpful. So always go to the classwork section at the top. I divide everything up by week. I try to put it in date order. Also, you can see what you have marked complete and what you have not. Sometimes I'll even ask you to turn things in via Google Classroom. Now, we're going to go into here. Notice September 11th, end of chapter quiz. All the instructions right here, no calculators, no notes, no homework. Clear everything off your desk, clear everything off your computer, no websites, no friends. Either you know it or you don't, and you want to find that out before the big 100-point test coming up finally at the end of the chapter. So let's just do this right. I don't know if yours looks anything like mine, but when I click on this, a couple things pop up. Either I can click right here, open with Kami, or even right over here it says open with Kami as well. Now, once I get to Kami, make sure you put your name and date on it, please. Because if something gets corrupted in your file, if files get messed up, we always want to make sure that your name's up here at the top. Secondly, some of you might be wondering, how is he writing on that? I'm using my stylus, or you can even use your finger. But over here on the left side is the drawing category. Now you can change your color around, but please don't pick any bogus colors. Just stick to some plain old classic colors. What else? So yeah, you're gonna write your work in here. Just use your stylus or your finger. Make sure it does say use all your algebra steps. I understand the equation's already right there, but keep on going with all your steps. Now, one thing that's kind of bothering me, by the way, undo up here in the top if you want to get rid of some things, or you may use the eraser function. And simply, once you erase over a line, it erases everything that line has touched. I know it's not a lot of space, folks. You can zoom in to kind of make it a little more doable in terms of your writing. And I apologize for not a lot of space, but it was a tough quiz to make. I had to squeeze everything into one page. Secondly, you may squeeze in any multiply, divide, add, or subtract off to the side, but make sure you got all 4 of your algebra steps on that. Now, some people prefer to type it out. Hey, that's your prerogative. I'm not going to tell you what to do. So there is an equation function over here, along with some special symbols that you don't need right now. Again, you may change your font if you wish. And then you're going to be typing things in. Now, I don't know what you would type. X plus 2 minus 2 equals 17 minus 2. But don't forget, I have asked you to crisscross your inverse operations. Anyways, you're welcome to use the equation function. It always will work. It just takes a little more doing, and frankly, you do whatever you need to do to be successful with this. When you're finished, ladies and gents, up in the top right-hand corner, it will not say it on mine because I'm the teacher on this file now, but in the top right-hand corner, it'll say somewhere up here, turn in. Be sure to press that button so that I know you're finished with it and then I can check your work. I need to go ahead and get rid of all this so none of this junk ends up on yours, and I will do that quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to email or message me. I'm available almost all day tomorrow. Have a couple meetings in the morning, but I'm here for you. Hey, take your time, folks. Do well. Monday's assignment will be coming at you Monday. I don't know if I'll get that to you early or not, but if you're ever wanting to get ahead, you're welcome to do it. Just understand this is the end of chapter quiz. We got another review assignment or two before the chapter test coming up. A lot of people have been asking, how do I get my grade up? Hey, 20-point quizzes and 100-point tests are the prime way to do so. So do your best and let's grow. See you, folks.